Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how item void function work in our post system. Let's get started. Customer orders some main dishes and 3 bowls of brown rice and 2 bowl white rice. Oops! I had keyed wrongly. Instead of 3 bowl of brown rice, I choose 5 bowls. Hit the item brown rice followed by the void button. Item correction recorded is where item haven't sent to kitchen or wholesale. Now, hit the wholesale, your order's docket is printed out. In our X or Z report is recorded under item correction. In few minutes later, your customer decides to cancel mango egg in his orders. Let's recall back the bill from floor plan. Hit the mango egg from receipt windows and follow by void button. Hit the hold sales button, so your kitchen site's aware there is item cancel by your customer. End of day under your X or Z report. Recorded under item void section. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.